Calculating standard deviation, that is a stock specific risk, manually is a time consuming and a tedious job. You will find more difficulty if you have to analyze the stock returns of a long time period. That means, say, suppose if you have observations ranging from 100, 200 or sometimes 500 observations. In that case, calculating standard deviation, that is a stock specific risk, manually is highly impossible one, and also it will not be accurate. So to avoid this one, you can use Microsoft Excel to calculate the standard deviation. Microsoft Excel has got certain built-in functions like average to calculate the mean value, and VAR to calculating the variance, and STDEV to calculate the standard deviation. So now I'll demonstrate you how to calculate, that is a mean, variance and a standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. Here are the daily returns of 7 different stocks, and each stock has got a different number of observations. If you go see here, so each stock has got a different number of observations. Now in this scenario, it manually calculating the standard deviation of these stocks may be difficult one. Instead of that, now we use Excel to calculate the mean, variance and the standard deviation of these 7 stocks. So here to calculate the mean, we use the Excel built-in function average. So equal to average. Then you can select this data individually, or directly you can select the column. While selecting the whole column, you need to be clear that the column doesn't contain any other data or calculations. So here I selected the column, that is A to A, then press the enter key. Now the mean of the stock 1 is been calculated. Now similarly, to calculate the variance, we use Excel built-in function var or VAR. This equals to VAR. Again select the whole column, that is A to A. And you don't worry about whether the average is calculated for all the cells or only for observations. Excel will consider only your observations. Blank cells are ignored. Then to calculate the standard deviation, equals to STDEV. This is the form built-in Excel function for standard deviation. Again select the column and close the bracket, press the enter key. So your standard deviation is calculated. Now once the standard mean, variance and standard deviation of one stock is calculated, you select these 3 values and then drag on to your right side. So now the standard deviation, mean, variance and standard deviation of all the 7 stocks have been calculated here. I guess this is one of the easiest method to calculate the mean, variance and the standard deviation. So while doing your project or any assignments, or when you are calculating your stock prices of a large number of stocks, I suggest you to use Microsoft Excel rather than calculating the values manually. I suggest you to download 10 stocks daily prices from a Bombay Stock Exchange official website for a period of 5 years. Then try to calculate the mean, variance and standard deviation of those stocks for year wise. Instead of doing for 5 years together, you can do it for year wise and observe how the stock price is moving. Thank you.